Okay, so this right here, this is my father-in-law's brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and he let me borrow this for last Thursday when we were supposed to have potentially a big snowstorm, so I could help some folks who, in case we did have a lot of snow, get to an appointment they had that was very important. And so because I am very loving and caring like that, I went ahead and borrowed it, and I love Gladiators. They're really cool. Well, I came into the office that Thursday and thought, hey, a couple of guys are here that like to do off-road kind of things. There's some cool stuff behind the church that we're not supposed to play on. And so what did? We came and played. You might have noticed I said that was Thursday. Today is Monday. It's still there. So it got stuck, and we kept trying to get it out. It was the mud and the snow, and it just kept sliding, and it started sliding sideways down a hill. And no matter what we tried to do to get this thing to go the right direction, it just wanted to go down the hill and make things worse. And so I kind of had to make the decision, which isn't always an easy decision for me, which was be patient, wait for the snow to melt and the ground to dry out a little bit, and then pull it out. And so the thing is still stuck. And a lot of us right now, we are kind of stuck in our homes, and with some of the orders going out, we may be more stuck in our homes here very soon. And with that, we can start to lose patience. I know it's easy for that to happen for me. In my devotional last week, I talked about some of those temptations, those struggles, and I think y'all have been praying for me. God has been good, and it's really been a great time with my family being home more. But I got to thinking too, just as we're doing this read through the Bible and reading through how the Israelites, they got stuck. They got stuck in the wilderness because they were trusting in themselves instead of God's power. They lost patience too. And so many times as they're stuck in the wilderness, they lose patience and say, God, we want out of here. My goodness, can we just go back to Egypt? It's ridiculous. They were slaves. And yet we do it too, we can only see those things that were behind. The grass looks greener. We're impatient with our circumstances. We don't like our circumstances, and so we tend to complain to God or maybe complain to others. But a lot of times when we're stuck, patience is really what we need the most. Sometimes people say, hey, don't pray for patience, you might get it. It's a good thing to have. We look at God, who is an infinitely patient God with us, that he hasn't destroyed us for our sin. And so, yeah, we can put up with sheltering in place, being stuck for a little while. We can put up with tensions at home and be patient and wait and see what God is doing, because I know it's going to be good. So let's be patient. Let's wait. Let's see if we can get unstuck. And right now, I might just see if I can get this truck unstuck, and you get to watch me possibly flip it over. Never mind. I'm waiting for somebody to come and help, because you may not be able to see it, but that thing is seriously tilted.